Good morning, guys. How are you? This is the English class for 10th grade, BTP Computing and Finances. So, welcome. Please remember to wear a mask and wash your hands. Do it at every moment. Today, we're going to study actions in the future, and this is part 2. And the objective of the class is ask and answer about actions taking place in the future. The future to be going to. Today we're going to review. Vamos a repasar lo que vimos la semana pasada en esta lámina. Dijimos que para formar el futuro, to be going to, necesitamos the verb to be. Going to, a verb, and a complement. Esos son los elementos para formar las oraciones afirmativas en el futuro to be going to. Okay, so we're going to review. This is the verb to be. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. And then we need going to. Alright? I am going to read a book later. Yo voy a leer un libro más tarde. Así formamos las oraciones con to be going to. Alright? You are going to read a book later. He is going to read a book later. She's going to read a book later. It is going to read. We are going to read. You are going to read. They are going to read. Okay? Let's continue. And here we have the negative sentences. So we say, we use the negative form of to be, like I'm not, you aren't, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't, we aren't, you aren't, they aren't. Okay? And we need going to. Siempre necesitamos going to. El verbo principal, the verb, and the complement. Alright? To be, going to, a verb, and a complement. I'm not going to eat salad. Yo no voy a comer ensalada. You aren't going to eat salad. He isn't going to eat salad. She isn't going to eat salad. It isn't. We aren't. You aren't. They aren't going to eat salad. Es así como formamos las oraciones negativas. Alright? So, for the interrogative form, we need to be. Siempre necesitamos the verb to be, solo que, si se fijan, le damos vuelta. Colocamos el verbo primero y luego los pronombres, ¿ok? Am I? Is he? Is she? Is it? Are we? Are you? Are they? Siempre queda going to, alright? El verbo principal también, the verb, and the complement. Y obviamente necesitamos una question mark, que es un signo de interrogación. So we say, am I going to drink coffee later? Así formamos las preguntas, ¿ok? ¿Voy yo a beber café más tarde? ¿Ok? Am I going to drink coffee later? Is he? Recuerden que para las terceras personas, he, she, and it, necesitamos is. We need is for he, she, and it. Is he going to drink coffee later? ¿Va él a beber café más tarde? Is she going to drink coffee later? ¿Va ella a beber café más tarde? Okay. Are we going to drink coffee later? Are you going to drink coffee later? ¿Van ustedes o vas tú a beber café más tarde? ¿Ven cómo formamos las preguntas en el futuro to be going to? Okay. Repito, necesitamos un verbo, the verb to be, the personal pronouns, going to, a verb, and a complement. All right. So let's practice. We're going to make questions and we're going to answer. Vamos a hacer preguntas y vamos a responderlas. Recuerden el objetivo que nos trazamos al inicio. Ask and answer. Preguntar y responder. So we have here a question. Is Amanda going to call the police? Si ven la estructura de la pregunta, la usamos correctamente. Is Amanda, ¿ok? To be, luego el pronombre, en este caso tenemos Amanda. Going to, que siempre va a ir. El verbo, a verb, and the complement. Is Amanda going to call the police? ¿Va Amanda a llamar a la policía? Is Amanda going to call the police? So, what's the correct answer? Yes, she is. Entonces, cuando respondemos yes, she is, estamos afirmando que sí, que ella va a llamar a la policía. All right? That's what she's thinking, to call the police. Is Amanda going to call the police? Yes, she is. Next. Are the boys going to play soccer? Are the boys going to play soccer? Yes or not? Yes, they are. The boys. The boys. So, usamos el pronombre they porque habla de varios. The boys. Los muchachos. Are the boys going to play soccer? Yes, they are. Next. Are you going to have breakfast later? Repeat. Are you going to have breakfast later? Yes, I am. Alguien me preguntó, are you going to have breakfast later? Entonces yo dije, yes, I am. All right, good. Let's continue. Are you going to work tomorrow? Are you going to work tomorrow? No, I'm not. I'm going to go dancing. Alguien me preguntó, are you going to work tomorrow? ¿Vas a trabajar mañana? Entonces, si nos fijamos en la figura, en el pensamiento, no, ¿verdad? No, I'm not. No, no voy a trabajar mañana. Entonces, ¿qué es lo que voy a hacer? What is it? What I'm going to do? I'm going to go dancing. All right? Repito otra vez de nuevo. Are you going to work tomorrow? ¿Vas a trabajar mañana? No, I'm not. No. I'm going to go dancing. Voy a ir a bailar. Entonces, decimos que no, pero luego decimos lo que vamos a hacer en realidad. Next. Is Olga going to ride the bike in the afternoon? Look. Yes or no? No, she isn't. Is Olga going to ride a bike in the afternoon? No, she isn't. So, she's going to ride a horse. ¿Vieron el mismo ejemplo del anterior? Is Olga going to ride a bike in the afternoon? No, she isn't. No, no va a andar en bici. She's going to ride a horse. Ella va a andar en caballo. Good. Next. Are the girls going to eat pizza tonight? Are the girls going to eat pizza tonight? Yes or not? No. No, they aren't. So, they're going to eat hamburgers. All right, let's continue. Is Alma going to read the newspaper? Is Alma going to read the newspaper? Here we're going to answer. Aquí vamos a responder. Is Alma going to read the newspaper? Yes or no? No. Yes. She is. Okay. ¿Ven la forma de responder? Yes, she is. Is Tina going to watch a horror movie? No. She isn't. Next. Is Arthur going to play tennis later? Yes, he is. Very good. Let's continue. Is Tony going to paint the house? No, he isn't. Are they going to go dancing tonight? ¿Van ellos a ir a bailar esta noche? Are they going to go dancing tonight? Yes, they are. Are the men going to fix the car? Are the men going to fix the car? ¿Los hombres van a reparar el carro? No, they aren't. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please send me the homework as soon as possible. Remember, Necesito que la envíen por Classroom, no por WhatsApp. Yo estoy calificando a las personas que me mandan la tarea por Classroom. Yo necesito que ustedes usen la tecnología. Estamos en la época del año pasado, se nos exige por cuestiones de la pandemia, ¿verdad? El distanciamiento social y todo eso, a que usemos la tecnología. Es una obligación y más ustedes que están en carrera, ya no están en ciclo. Ok, thank you, goodbye.